The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. President Trump has just shut down the government on Saturday, December 22nd, at midnight Eastern Time. Do not attempt to get money from banks, cause they are shut down too. Other places that are shut down include schools, hospitals, museums, boot camps, hotels, etc. Do not attempt to spend money again, cause the shutdown may affect you. It has also affected NASA, Congress, the EAS, the Department of Labor, Housing, Commerce, Education, Energy, the EPA, and the FPA. Do not attempt to talk to them, cause you may be affected too. Stay tuned for this station for more information on the shutdown. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The government is kept shut down. President Trump warned everyone that government would be kept shut down for months or even years. The partial shutdown occurred because Congress and President Donald Trump did not agree on the timely appropriation of sufficient funds for the 2019 fiscal year or a temporary continuing resolution. The shutdown resulted from a demand by Trump for more than $1 billion in federal funds to build a new U.S.-Mexico border wall. So, because of the shutdown, we demand you do not go to any national parks because they are closed. Other places that are affected or closed include schools, banks, cemeteries, businesses, capitals, Congress buildings, boot camps, summer schools, and more. If you get money from banks, you will be affected by the shutdown. The departments that are affected include Congress, the SSA, IRS, NASA, FPA, the National Archives, the Departments of State, Treasury, Agriculture, Education, Labor, etc. Do not talk to them cause you will be affected.